If you've run into the Google Drive refuse to connect error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you the quickest fixes step by step. This is a super common issue, especially when you're opening a Drive file from a website, an app preview, Canva, or some other embedded view. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it in just a minute or two. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and software guides. First, let's talk about the most common fix, and that is opening the Google Drive link in a new tab. If the file is currently opening inside an embedded window or preview box, right-click the Drive link and choose Open Link in New Tab. In many cases, Google Drive blocks embedded views for security reasons, and that is exactly what causes the Refuse to Connect message. Once you open the file directly in the browser, the problem often disappears immediately. If that does not work, the next thing you want to check is whether the link is being opened inside an embedded frame. This happens a lot when someone shares a Drive file inside a website, a course platform, a design tool, or a document preview. Instead of trying to view it inside that embedded frame, copy the file link and open it directly in your browser. Google Drive works best when it is opened directly, not inside another app window. Now let's go to the next fix, which is disabling browser extensions. Sometimes ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or other extensions can interfere with how Google Drive loads. If Drive is refusing to connect, try turning off your extensions one by one, especially anything related to ads or tracking protection. After disabling them, refresh the page and see if the file loads properly. If it works, then one of those extensions was the cause. If the issue is still there, go ahead and clear your browser cache and cookies. In Chrome, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to remove cached images, cookies, and site data. Then restart the browser and try again. Old cached data can sometimes conflict with Google Drive and cause loading errors, so this step is worth doing if the first fixes did not help. Another thing to check is whether you are signed in to the correct Google account. If the file is shared with a different account, or if your permissions are limited, Drive may not open correctly. Sign out and back in if needed, or switch to the account that has access to the file. A wrong account or missing permission can also trigger connection issues that look like a browser problem. So, to quickly recap, if Google Drive says refuse to connect, first open the file in a new tab, then avoid embedded or iframe links, disable extensions, and clear your cache if needed. In most cases, one of those fixes will solve the issue right away. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe, because I upload more simple tutorials just like this one. And if you want, leave a comment and I'll help you troubleshoot the exact Drive error you're seeing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.